Have you noticed these messy room transformation videos taking over social media lately? Videos like these are getting millions of views, and some creators have grown to over 100,000 followers just by posting AI-generated room transformation videos. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral before and after room transformation videos using AI. Now let's get started. The first step is generating your prompts. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below and copy the prompt provided. Then paste it into your favorite AI chat tool. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Once you paste the prompt and hit enter, the AI will instantly generate several categories with different options for you to choose from. Simply select one option from each category or enter your own custom idea. After making your selections, press enter again, and the AI will automatically generate 4 detailed image prompts to create the scenes for your room transformation video. It will also generate 4 video prompts that we'll use to animate those images and turn them into satisfying viral AI room transformation videos. The next step is to generate and animate our images. Head over to Flow AI, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, and change the output to 2 images. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will create 2 images based on your prompt. Review both images, choose the one you like best, and download it to your device. To generate the next image while keeping everything consistent, upload the image you just downloaded into the prompt box as a reference image. Then return to ChatGPT, copy the second image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate again, and you will get your second image. Now repeat this process using your most recently generated image as the reference for the next prompt. This ensures that your characters, camera angle, and room layout remain consistent throughout the entire transformation. Now let's animate our images. Switch over to the video section in Flow AI and make sure it's set to frames mode. Add your first image to frame 1 and your second image to frame 2. Then, head back to ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your first AI room transformation clip will be ready. Preview the result. You can see how smooth and satisfying the transition looks. Then download the clip to your device. To create your second clip, add your second image as frame 1 and your third image as frame 2. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the video. Repeat this exact process to create your third clip. Finally, to create your reaction and reveal scene, change the mode from frames to ingredients. Upload your final transformed room image to the prompt box, then return to ChatGPT and copy the last video prompt, including the voiceover. Paste everything into Flow AI and generate your final clip. The final step is editing your video. Import all the clips you've generated into your video editor and arrange them in the correct order. To make the transformation look smooth and seamless, add transitions between each clip so everything flows together like one continuous video. I'm using the mix transition. Simply select the transition and click Apply to All to add it to every clip instantly. Once you're happy with the result, export the video and save it to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
Wow, I can't believe this is my room. It feels like a completely different house.
Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section.